Money good, throw up where I'm from, let them know I'm still hood. I ain't had to get nobody hit, but I could. Before I post a pic, should I flex? Yeah, I should. I ain't gotta worry about shit, money good.
Yeah, I'm just vibing. How can I?
Hi guys, it's your girl Melania Dolly, and I'm here with another makeup tutorial.
You ain't good at this. Drama all the time. I'm tired of crossing lines. Going through your phone and be shocking what I find. Let me unwind, cause bitch you crossed the line. You done this shit to me for the last time. I ain't the type to go tit for tat. I'm the type to just love you down, but you really disgust me now. It's best if I just leave now. Rolling up my sleeves now. Better yet, I'ma leave them down. Reminiscing when I had the crown. You loving when I used to pin you down. Beat the pussy, pulling on your trust. I know you love that shit, you really into that. Throw it back and get a dick attack. Spit choke and get your ass smacked. Nigga really pulling on your tracks. When you done, you just pulling back. Freaky nigga, yeah, I'm into that. Nut plenty, just give me that. Why do love lie? Why do people lie? Why you gotta be this way? Why we gotta do these things? Love I had deep inside. Girl, I think that love is strange. Transform into pain. Guess you really feel the same, cause the way you acting strange. Yeah, I know you had some pain, but I ain't know we playing games. Yeah, you know a nigga change. You're sitting here if I stay the same. How about you just change with me? Instead of switching lanes with me, how about you just change with me? How can I be this way? How can I do these things? Love you really gave me was a lie. You ain't good at this. Drama all the time. I'm tired of crossing lines. Going through your phone and be shocking what I find. Love a bitch, she ain't love me back. Nigga ain't really got shit out there. Oh yeah, I got my heart cracked. Time wasted what I put in that. Fuck the money, can't get time back. I thought we shared somewhere that was just a nigga tired of being alone. What the fuck you on? Leave a nigga alone. Stop calling phone. Bitch, let me roam. I just wanna do some things. Sometimes they be out my range. How I feel up with pain. Oh, that shit a fucking shame. Bitch, you really scream my name. Yeah, I say that name in vain. Oh yeah, fucking shame. Bitch, take my kid from me. Bitch, really think that shit is funny. Yeah, this road is a long road. I swear this shit be taking tolls. I don't know which way to go. I be fighting, yeah, I don't know my goals. Baby mama, should be trippin'. Swear to God, I'm pistol grip. I be on the block with them niggas. I be thuggin' all night and all day. I be tryna make a fucking way. In my mouth I have a dirty taste. Yeah, the whole shit took something from me. Felt like the whole took my soul. Yeah, a nigga standing 10 toes. I don't know which way to go. I don't know which way to go. Fuck it, I'ma just let it go. Let it flow like the wind flow. I just wanna do some things. I just wanna grow some wings. I'm sticking like I'm on a beam. Bitch, I'm in a limousine. Fuck her good, I bust her spleen. Yeah, you really with these things. I just wanna have fun. I just wanna juke and vibe. Fuck her on Facebook Live. Mesmerized. Girl, look me in my eyes. Oh, I got her digmatized. Bitch, I'm not gon' say it twice. Sugar, yeah, I had the spice. Yeah, I'm just vibing.
Cause I've been where you are.
I really wanna see her straight. Niggas eating off my plate. I had to really shake the jakes. Really had to cut some snakes. Really tryna elevate. Tryna find my favorite place before a nigga catch a case. Dream about driving race. Even have my family straight. Future shit, time and date. Right now I'm tryna find a way. It's hard when you get enslaved. Working just to get a taste. Change, I'm getting compensated. Mama, I hope I haven't made it. Back to back, I'm shot taking. Gangsta shit, ain't no chasing. 20 nigga, changing places. Self-talk, meditating. All I'm saying is different faces. Smoking on these different flavors. Bumba nigga, straight Jamaica. Stop, I say what's up my Haitian. Hood nigga, street race me. Growed up seeing shell cases. Blood glued to the pavement. Nigga killed my uncle in front of the school, man. Shit was crazy. Young nigga seeing shit I had to really learn was basic. Black sheep all alone. Feeling like the world hate. Looking at me must seem crazy. Tunnel vision, that's a raven. Couple Couple hoes drove me crazy. Guess they really tried to play me. Smooth nigga, Patrick Swayze, trapping like I'm in the 80s. Always show me how to play it. They don't know what they ain't told. What make glitter ain't always gold. I remain 10-toe. Smile a lot, but I don't joke. Plead the fifth, I don't know them folks. Pussy with a super soul. Fuck the soul, it's time to go. Jumping out Geronimo. Shine like some soul glow. Oh. Shine like some soul glow. Bite life through the city, where it gets nitty gritty. Slide through traffic wildin', you know I'm on that 250. Remember the old boy used to tell me, he finna come get me. Sitting on the porch waiting, nigga looking real silly. Hold a lot of pain inside, need someone to bear with me. Grandma used to sit up on that chair and just share with me. Little cousin lockdown, doing 25 rounds. He and inmate scream, had the phone up in the background. My life could've been the same, only room for 2 chains. And them chains around my neck. Mitch nigga, paid in full. Nah, this ain't no class act. Feeling like Martin, nothing to lose, but I'm past that. Chugging like a major pain, more money where I crashed at. Remember getting laughed at, now I'm getting grabbed at. I like my bitch slim, thick purring with a fat cat. Now they trying to figure me out, I guess I'm abstract. Living like Sinbad nigga, where the cash at. Hopping on this money train, snipes just stash that. Seeing Nell got took from the hood, I went and grabbed that. Now I'm on this money path, had to leave that thuggin' alone. When you live that lifestyle, niggas, they try to phone you home. Turn it to a saying then, what my mood you play my hand. Seeing in the dark at night, what I did to save my life. Rona, you don't make you right, just gotta live my life. Slide my money and win my scribe. Funny how life works, niggas down to do dirt till they see them fireworks. Marble down to blow first, feeling like my life cursed. Seen too many in that hearse, I was only 9, seen a nigga get his head burst. Won't lay a hand on a nigga till he hit me first. Hit him with them finish move, I had to call Stella up, you know I still got my groove. Jigging through the dance floor, you know I'm finna steal a show. Got them hoes going low, get it from the older niggas. She loving on my older nigga, tap that pussy 5 times, she act like she don't know a nigga. Seeing through this dark at night, only makes your future bright. Yeah, you gotta live your life, even if your pocket tight. 2 left turn don't make no right, 2 left turn don't make no right. Dry ass book. What the fuck you talking about? I like who I am now. Just gotta stay around crowds. Wanna do some things I never really did. Wanna go someplace I never really lived. Wanna stack it up and have it for my kids. Hate getting mad, I really going big. Fuck fake love, I really ain't got no friend. Have a combo with them, now I can't pretend. 60 seconds, I guess gone like the wind. Fuck her good, but I'm still a minute. Hate double backs, it feel like a trend. They should get attached, I'm playing like a kid. Dropping bread off in front of an old man. That's the old me, no one control me. Roly poly, so I guess I'm moldy. Head crack at the dice game. Lot of niggas got me getting a lot of shit. Fucking with a bitch, I guess I shot a brick. At the crib, I really got a lotto pin. Suck a pussy, nah, nigga swallow it. Like a freaky bitch who talk a lot of shit. Throwing that ass back, I get the most of it. Wild sex, a nigga talking, joking shit. Baby girl, you know I'm with the shit. Throwing dick, I'm really breaking ribs. Nigga play they part, you know I read the script. Oh shit, she really catching all my keys. Been on over, rubbing on my pussy lips. Yeah, I had to stick it in right quick. Ooh, shit. Shit, bitch, you know I gotta go. Gotta get this money, stack it up some more. At the body, pull me up a red rum. She going dumb, had to bite my tongue. Have a little fun, nigga bumping gums. Ass in my palms, I'm stupid drunk. Need my stomach loving on these scripper. Love how she really like pulling on my zipper. Pulling out my flipper, ain't no need to tip her. Ooh, shit. I be so with the shits. Who the fuck, ooh, is this? She looks so super thick, tatted up, ooh, and shit. Let me get that pussy, just one thing. Girl, you know I'm fine. Sex really blow my mind. Like when you dirty wine. Throw that ass back, ooh, throw that ass in a circle. 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 Marble, girl, you know I won't hurt you. Girl, I'ma just lay you down and just work you. Girl, I'ma beat you black and blue purple. Ooh, if you stop, man, stop. Bavo, you stupid.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye.